Dubai. Thank you. We're just finalising the last bit. Flight time to Dubai is 6 hours and 27 minutes. 41,000 feet. At about departure, we're expecting a few bumps. Just a reminder that it's grassy and fast and just counting the number of customers. I'm doing the flying, so I'll get back to you just prior to our descent into Dubai. So I'd like to invite you to that place.
وإنكم على متنزل رحلة إلى دبي بالتعاون مع المؤسسة المالية وقنطس. وذكر حقيقة البعض من الصور بعض من المتسابقين لقنطس. إن أفضل الطاقم على التجاوز أجمل 13 دولة تحدث 13 لغة. تباعد الكرة المطلقة على الناس في المستشفى.
Thank you. This flight to Dubai in partnership with Malaysian Airlines and Qantas. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome back to our Emirates Airlines and Qantas frequent flight members. We're pleased to know that although it's national cabin crew aboard today, come from 17 different countries and collectively speak 19 languages for your assistance. If there's anything we can do to assist, please do let us know. Thank you.